This is the Contour model, part of the Scenic Series here at Webb Viera. And if you're looking for an affordable or one of the more affordable ways to get into Webb, then this is going to be a great option for you. I'm going to take you inside, show you around, and give you some more information on different configurations you can get this floor plan in. Let's go. The Scenic Series at Webb Viera is going to be one of the more affordable and reasonable priced options if you're looking to get into Webb. Now, the Contour that we're going to be looking at today is the smallest floor plan that they offer here at Webb Viera. You're going to have a variation, a couple different variations on how you could get this floor plan. It's going to come in at 2 bedrooms with an office or flex room, 2 full bathrooms, 2-car garage, and there's going to be a range in square footage between 1405 to 1561 square feet. So as we work our way through this home, I'll give you some more information on how those configurations work. I'll also give you a little bit of a teaser and let you know that this home actually starts at $360,000, but you need to really understand how pricing at Webb works. So make sure you guys stick around to the end because we're going to cover that. I'll see you inside. The Contour that we're going to be looking at today is the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom version with the office, and it's going to be the 1405 square foot configuration. As we work our way through, I'll give you a little bit more context as to where you can make that structural change if you want that additional square footage to get the 1561. Let's start off in the front of the home since we are here. I'll give you a little bit of a perspective as well, kind of as we go through. This is going to be that 40-foot lot product. So this is a narrower home, and you'll notice that the bedroom spaces will be on one side of the home and the living space will be on the other. I think it's a really efficient use of space. So right here, you've got this little corridor right off the front door. You've got a coat closet. This is just going to be your air handler, and then the garage is right here. So this is going to be standard 2-car garage. You know, you're going to have that 20 by 20 type dimension on this garage. You'll notice they've got a bunch of materials here because this is a model, so they're using it for storage. But if you do notice, there's no hot water heater in the garage. That's because the water heaters here in Webb Viera are tankless gas water heaters, so that's going to be mounted to the side of the house. You'll also notice that there's no storm shutters in here. That's because all of these are impact rated windows, so you don't have the need for those hurricane shutters. Also, the garage door openers that come here are Wi-Fi ready, so you can have all that Wi-Fi connectivity to your phone. You'll also notice as you work into the house here that there's no step, there's no level change into the grade of the home. So it's more of a level finish minus the threshold of the door right there. And of course, they've done the epoxy finish on this garage floor. So as you come in the front, you've got your office. It's going to be right off the front door. The configuration, or I'm sorry, not the configuration, the dimensions for this office are 9 by 9.4. So it's really too small to be a bedroom. There's no closet. And this wall right here does have a little bit of an angle to it, but you do have the French doors with the glass insert. So it is a perfect office or study. One of the things that you will notice as we work our way through that there are high ceilings in here. All the doors in here are going to be 8-foot doors. Now I may have misspoke in a previous video. The 8-foot doors are actually an upgrade, but the majority of the homes that I've seen here, including the spec homes that Webb is building, have been upgraded to those 8-foot doorways. So you have more door clearance, but the standard height is 6'8". As far as included features go, there is a list of included features that come with Webb Viera. If you're considering buying here and moving to the area, that's what we do. We help people relocate from all over right here to the Melbourne Space Coast area. So if you're interested in Webb, I'll be happy to send out the Webb Buyers Pack to you. And if you want a copy in the mail, send me your address. I'll drop that to you. Otherwise, you could call, text, or email us. I've got our contact information down in the description. So let's continue to work our way through the home here. I'm going to bring this floor plan so I can give you some more perspective on dimensions as we kind of work through the house here. So like we talked about earlier, this is going to be sort of a split left and right in terms of living and bedrooms. So this is going to be our kitchen. You've got a nice open flow into the dining space and the living room, or the gathering room as you're going to see it referred to here. I'll bring you back to the kitchen here in just a minute. Let's go into the 2nd bedroom suite. Now there's no door here, but it is off to the side. So this is a really good guest bedroom suite. This is just going to be a standard bathroom with a single sink vanity, Does have the tub shower combo with a tile all the way up. Now, of course, if you wanted to upgrade that to a walk-in shower, you've got the ability to do that as well. And then second bedroom up in the front of the house. This is going to be an 11 by 10. So this will be a smaller size bedroom. It does have a swing out closet door here with, I would say, kind of a mini walk-in closet. It's not a huge walk-in, but it is a walk-in. So you do have to account for any door swing here with your furniture. And then as we kind of work our way through the house, we'll come back into the kitchen here. And this one does have some upgrades. This is upgraded to an extent. This one's got nice tile backsplash here. You've got the gas range top. This is gonna be a 5 burner with the vented hood there, the gray cabinets with the quartz tops, the single bin sink. And then of course, this one has the built-in wall mount oven and microwave. Nice little island here. This is a comfortable 3-person island. And then you've got your little dining space and living room or gathering area, as they call it right here. And then in the back, this is gonna be your laundry and your master bedroom suite. Before we go in there, I'll give you some more context on a potential change that you could make if adding that additional square footage was something that you wanted to do. Basically what that's gonna do is that's gonna pull your gathering room right here back further. You're gonna add about an additional 150 square feet to the home. So that's where that additional structural change could come from. And we'll go out back here in a minute. I'll show you the pool, talk more about the cost of some of these upgrades, the base price of the home, the potential cost of this home, the way it's upgraded, so you can have a little bit more context on what you could expect for pricing. So right here is the laundry. This is just gonna be a standard size laundry room, no extra shelf or no extra room for extra cabinetry. You've got your laundry here. There is your low voltage panel in the laundry room. So all your Cat 6 cable and your coax cable is gonna be right here. So it's pretty plug and play with your modem and your router. And again, cable and internet is included at Webb Viera with as part of your monthly association fee. So you have master bedroom here, efficient use of space. I'd say it's a good size room, especially compared to the rest of the house. This is a 14 by 13. And then I like how they use the pocket door, especially in the master bath, because you don't have to worry about door swing hitting any furniture or anything that kind of is clunky here and blocks your shower or your vanity. So you do have a frameless glass shower here, dual sink vanity. You've got a linen closet. You've got the water closet. I was backwards there. So you got that, you've got privacy. And then you do have a walk-in closet as well. So it's a good size walk-in closet. I'd say for the size of the home, the space is very efficient. Seems like it'd be very comfortable. So let's head out back now, go check out the pool area. This one does have a pool. We'll talk about the lot and some of these other costs. So to get a better context on what that structural upgrade would do, that extra 156 square feet, you would be able to essentially extend that gathering room that we just came out of to right about here. Otherwise, this is going to be your trussed in Lanai area. If you do the structural upgrade and you push out your gathering room, you are gonna have a little bit more of an extended patio out here as well. So of course, all of that stuff comes at a price. So let's get into it and talk about price and cost of ownership here. We'll start off going over what the association here covers. Now, this is going to be the Scenic collection. As we mentioned, these are the 40-foot lots. These are gonna be the smallest product available right now. These are gonna come with a $360 a month association. Now, that is all inclusive with all your exterior landscaping. That does include cable and internet. And that's also gonna get you the gold level golf membership at the Duran Country Club. Now, there is a $2,000 initial contribution fee, and you're also going to have a $840 club fee once the club is open. At this time, the club hasn't been built yet. It's slated to be finished in 2025, so that fee doesn't actually go into effect until the club is open. But what Webb Viera is actually doing in the time being is they're building a lifestyle home, as they call it, which is essentially one of their model homes, and they're going to make it a lifestyle home, it's gonna basically be a mini amenity center until the main clubhouse is done. So that's not gonna come at any additional cost, and it'll be something over the next couple years until that club is done. In addition to that, this is part of the Central Viera Community Association, which is going to come with a $230 fee per year, along with the Viera Stewardship District, which comes in at $1,135 for the year. Now, the Contour model, just to recap, comes in as a 2-bedroom with a flex room, 2-bathroom, starting at 1,405 square feet, or you can upgrade to the 1,561 square feet with the extended living space. Now, the base price is gonna come in at $360,000. Lot premiums for most of the Scenic Series are gonna range between $10,000 to $30,000. Obviously, this one is actually on a bigger lot because it is a model and it is a water view. So let's talk about pricing on a home like this that we just saw to give you some context. This one has approximately $130,000 worth of upgrades. So the base price of a home like this, the way it's upgraded, would come in at about $500,000 to $510,000. This particular lot would be an $80,000 premium. And then of course, if you were gonna add a pool, a basic pool package is going to start at $100,000 or $150,000 for the luxury package. So all in for this particular home, the way it sits would come in at $689,000. And if you feel like the Contour model isn't the right fit for you, and maybe you want something a little bit bigger, Webb at Viera offers a lot of different floor plans. In fact, we're going to go tour all of those right now. If you'd like to join us for that, you can do that right here. I'll see you guys there.